lot of you may have heard of us already. Some of you may know us for things like our drive stats that we put out. Perhaps you subscribe to our blog, that kind of thing. Maybe you're a personal backup customer. But really, we're here to talk about our B2 cloud storage product and how to leverage Veeam to take advantage of it. So a lot of different cloud options out there, right? It's becoming more and more common, necessary to keep an offsite copy of your backups, right? Whether that's for things like cybersecurity, insurance, or just, want to make sure that you have the best backup strategy possible. What a lot of cloud providers don't think about is how you're going to restore that data. So what I specifically want to talk to you guys today about is a solution we've come up with called Instant Recovery in Any Cloud. The swipe works. That's me. I already said that. You don't need to know that again. So again, assuming you guys are here, you love Veeam, we love Veeam, we want to talk about recovering from a disaster, right? Disaster can be a lot of things. It can be a natural disaster. It can be ransomware, right? Or most commonly, it can be human error. As far as, people thinking, do I really need to worry about this? The answer is yes. When you look at the numbers, right? 40% of servers suffer at least one outage per year. The average cost of downtime per minute is over $1,400, right? So it's really, really important that you can, keep your organization, your company afloat in the event of one of these disasters. And you can see here, 67% of organizations use cloud services as part of their data protection strategy. So I want to stop for a moment, make sure people are following along. I've got a Starbucks gift card here, $25. Can someone tell me how much money per minute on average companies lose from downtime? Right here. $14.10, that is correct. Don't worry, we got another giveaway. Can anyone tell me the percentage of servers that suffer at least one outage per, right back, 40%. Come get your $25 Starbucks gift card. Should I do one more? What was my last name? No one can say it? No? Wow. No one can say it right? Anders introduced me and he said it correctly. No, my last name is not Backblaze. I am not Mr. Backblaze. I wish I was. You got it! Liljedahl was the correct answer. See, pays to pay attention. By the way, everyone here, anyone that wants one, stop by afterwards. We got shirts for everyone, okay? It's not this shirt. That would have been smart if I wore the shirt we were giving away. So, how do we meet recovery options in the case of a disaster, right? There's three main ways people do this. First, traditional disaster recovery, right? We have a replica on site. We got, our NAS or whatever storage, and we got a copy of all our stuff on there. Second, cloud-based, right? That's where Backblaze comes in. And then the third is using like DR as a service, right? However, DR as a service can sometimes get pricey. So, talking about all that stuff, what do we need in order to get, I don't want to get in front of the screen too much because I want you to see these lovely graphics our marketing partner put together. But I also don't want to do that. So what's required, right? You need the backup software, that's where Veeam comes in. You need data storage, that's where Backblaze comes in. And then you need infrastructure to restore to. So we came up with, with all those things in mind, we came up with this idea of instant recovery in any cloud. So what the heck is it? It's using Veeam to protect it, having your data locked in Backblaze where it's secure, protected from bad actors, ransomware, etc. And then using one of our infrastructure as a service partners, the one we featured here is called PhoenixNAP, to be able to easily recover that data into. Now, Backblaze has select partners in the infrastructure as a service that we do not charge egress to, right? PhoenixNAP is one of those, but we work with anyone, right? You already use someone, that can do bare metal, we'll work with them as well. But what is it we're talking about here? Let's get past that one. This is the meat and potatoes right here. So obviously, you're doing your backup with Veeam to Backblaze B2, right? If we need to restore from that, you're going to use our instant recovery in any cloud product to push that back easily into a provider like Phoenix now. So this sounds kind of abstract. Really, all it is under the hood is an Ansible playbook. Everyone knows Ansible, familiar with what it does, right? Yeah. So we've put this solution together to essentially give you DR as a service that you don't have to pay for until you need it. Now think about this. You go and hire a DR as a service right now, you are paying a fee for that whether you recover anything or not, right? And a lot of times you don't, but if you do, it's critical for your business, right? So this essentially is a replacement for that. Instead of hiring a DR as a service company now, we've given you the tools that you need if you need to recover from a disaster. Simply by pre-orchestrating this Ansible playbook, running it to deploy the services you need, right? Networking, storage, et cetera, and then automatically setting up Veeam for you so you can then recover into the cloud of your choice. So that's kind of, the meat and potatoes here. I do want to just, encourage you to please come talk to us. I got one more Starbucks gift card to give away. What was the name of our company? Oh my gosh, who was first? I think it's right here. Enjoy that. The consolation prize for everyone is, of course, a shirt. And we are doing the drawing for the Quiet Comfort headphones. So, we'd encourage you to please check us out. We're Backblaze. We make cloud storage astonishingly easy. We're easy, affordable, on demand. Please come talk to us. And protect yourself from from ransomware. Protect yourself with Veeam and Backblaze. Oh my gosh.
Woo, close one, Troy. All right. So there's you got that?
Yes. If you'd like to find out more, here's your lovely QR code.
Who didn't get a ticket for the Quiet Comfort? Okay, I just want to get a few last people in the draw before we do it, okay? And you saw the presentation, yes? Okay, good. Want to make sure you got one? You got one? Okay.
While we're handing out, does anyone have any questions?
Okay. You are going to get all a t-shirt as well, so you're going to make sure we're going to be coming over here after the draw.
We got a question. How much does it cost? Backblaze is $5 a terabyte per month. Very, very affordable. Only a quarter of the price of some of the big guys out here today.